So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Subex share. So in yesterday's video, we have done the complete technical analysis and we have discussed what are the major reasons for the 13 to 14% up move that the stock has given, whether it may be related to ESOPs and also technically the stock has formed a reversal pattern. So now we'll try to upgrade the levels. So as I told yesterday, once it crosses 50 rupees level, I told I'll make a separate technical analysis video so that people who have taken entry at 40 rupees or somewhere around higher levels, so they will have the complete clarity and they can take the necessary actions. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by technical charts so that beginners will have some benefit. So I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so moving towards the Telegram post that I have updated around 10 a.m. in the morning was related to Subex. So when it was moving around 48 rupees level, I've put a chart. In that chart clearly you can see the 50 rupees level has a strong resistance, and I've mentioned that in the post as well. So this 50 rupees level we have discussed multiple times in our previous videos also, because obviously a strong resistance whenever any stock is crossing it with some good volume, so obviously further increment would be visible. And today once it has crossed that 50, it was almost trying to approach the 52 rupees level, right? And the most important thing that we need to observe today is the stock has closed above 50, which was a very strong resistance. So now that level will become the support for the stock. Right, so back-to-back correction was observed in it. Many people have taken at various levels, so they have faced little bit of loss. But now, since the stock already, we can see yesterday 13%, today 8 to 9%. So almost the stock has recovered 23 to 24%. So that is not a joke, just in a span of 2 days. So clearly I told, whenever any stock is coming down in that manner, obviously it will try to retrace. So only thing is patience. So whatever the downfall was visible in the stock mainly was due to the financials and delays in the project, so that the management has clearly informed. So that is one good transparency thing I have observed in any company. So when they are clearly telling that it's their fault that the projects got delayed, so obviously it creates a very good impression on the management as well. So now comes to the technical point of view. So now let's go to charts. We'll discuss both on daily chart and weekly chart all the next possible targets and levels. Okay, so first if you observe the weekly chart, you can see the stock currently it is around 51.55 rupees level, and 9% increment was present in the stock. And you can see this was the level that I was talking about, which was the 50 rupees level. So good spike, whatever the correction it has showed in 1 week has been completely completed in today's week, right? And still few days are left for the week to close, and if it continues that particular momentum, so the first next level would be 55 rupees level. So after 55, obviously we have the 58 and finally the 60 rupees level. So these can be the step-by-step levels that you need to watch out. So 60 is going to be an ultimate resistance. So once it crosses 60, whatever the stock from where it has started correcting, it will approach those levels, right? So this is the weekly chart point of view, and you need to observe 50 as a very strong support in the coming sessions. Okay, so another thing that you need to observe here is the money flow index. So what is the money flow index suggesting? So earlier itself, because of the correction that stock has given, already the money flow index was almost going to oversold. So now from oversold, we have seen a very good reversal. So try to observe all these things simultaneously so that you will also have a complete clarity where actually the stock is going. Okay, so now comes some important things in daily chart that we need to understand. So first thing is 200-day exponential moving average. So 200-day exponential moving average was coming out somewhere around 46.51. So yesterday itself it has given closing above the 200-day exponential moving average. So obviously people who know well about technical analysis. So you might be knowing that 200-day exponential moving average has a very huge significance. So since it has closed above 200-day exponential moving average, so that is something positive thing, and today it has crossed the 50-day exponential moving average and also above the 50 rupees level, right? So the first thing that you need to observe is 55 rupees level, after that 60 plus. So these are only the near term levels. And now coming to the questions wise, people who have taken fresh entry around 40 or 42 whatever level, so keep holding it. Okay, so with 50 as a very strong support, you need to observe this particular stock, and people have taken around 60, 70, so keep holding it. So everything goes well, if it approaches there, so you will have some very good chance either to make some very good profit or hold it for certain period of time. So company, as I told, it is still improving and it will take little bit of time. Only thing is patience, and you need to hold it. And money flow index in daily chart, already it has started a very good reversal from the low levels. So any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.